I'm Ashley Morris. Welcome to my channel. In this video, we're going to continue talking about inequality word problems. So at the store, shirts are $12.99 each and shipping is $10.99 for the whole order. You have $100. How many shirts can you buy? All right, let's set up this problem. $12 each. Well, $12.99 each. So I'm going to say X is the number of shirts because I don't know how many I'm buying. But I do know I'm going to do $12.99 times X. That's how much times how many. Plus, I've got to pay for shipping because it sounds like I'm ordering these shirts. And I have $100. I can spend less than $100. I can spend exactly $100, but I cannot spend more. So we're going to do less than or equal to. Now let's solve. We can subtract $10.99. And I did do this earlier with my calculator. So use your calculator if your teacher allows it, or do it by hand. But when you subtract that, you'll get 8901. Then we're going to divide by $12.99. Again, use your calculator if you can, or by hand. Either way works. Less than or equal to 6.85. Okay, so this is correct for this problem, like the pink stuff. But if I look at the whole problem, this doesn't make sense. Can I buy 0.85 of a shirt? No, you have to buy a whole shirt. So you can get 6 or fewer shirts. You don't have enough money to get the 7th shirt. So we can't buy part of a shirt, so we buy 6 shirts or fewer shirts. Okay, now we're ready for our next problem in this video. A rideshare app costs $1.75 per mile plus $5.50. You have $37.50. How far can you go? So M is going to be, I'm going to use M for the number of miles. Now this one's different. In the last one we had a t-shirt. You can't get part of a shirt. You can go part of a mile though. So we could get a decimal for this one. We're going to go how much times how many miles. So 175 times M plus this flat fee they're charging no matter what. And it has to be less than or equal to $37.50. I don't have to go that far. I could spend less. So let's solve this. And again, I did do the math earlier to make sure that I got it right and also save time. So we've got $1.75 M and we subtract $5.50 from both sides. So that's going to give me less than or equal to $32. Now divide both sides by 175. Divide by 175. So M has to be less than or equal to 18.3 miles. I rounded. It was 285 roughly. So less than 18.3 miles. So it could ask us a couple of different ways. What is the farthest you could go? 18.3. It could ask you, it could even say, could you go 15 miles? Yes, I can go 15 miles. M is less than 18.3. So read the question asked. It can vary depending on what your teacher's looking for. But that's how you set that one up. I hope that was helpful. If you have any other questions, please make sure you reach out to us at amtutors.com. We have certified math teachers ready to meet with you online for some tutoring sessions. Also, like and subscribe so you can get the latest and greatest content when we post it. Have a great day.